Very good morning, children. I am repeating. ATKT exams will be starting from October 6th. Okay, your regular exam timetable is expected this week. That will be decided by university. Module number 4 is we are dealing with recent trends in the commercial banking in India. Banking is such a sector that is undergoing maximum changes. You can see that banking is every day basis there is a change. What is happening in banking? Yeah. So what is that? What are the tremendous changes? The philosophy, approach in the functioning of commercial bank have undergone tremendous changes. Okay. Today, banks have been under the increasing surveillance by regulatory authorities, that is the Reserve Bank of India. We know that Indian RBI is always very famous for its function of controlling or keeping the commercial banks under surveillance. Please remember, so many banks are facing the problem all over the world. But so far, Indian commercial banks, you cannot say that they are not facing the problem, but they are protected by the government. Now, last 3 days before, you might have heard, Prime Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced something known as a bad bank scheme. We will come to that later. Children, bad bank, B-A-D, bad bank. So banks are undergoing so much changes. Whoever wants to work in the bank, whoever wants to work in the financial sector should know the changes that is happening in the banking system. What are the changes? What is financial inclusion? Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm coming. What do you mean by financial inclusion? Please remember, financial inclusion is one of the basic objective of Reserve Bank of India from 11th 5-year plan. That means from 2012 onwards. What do you mean by financial inclusion, children? Financial inclusion is the part of inclusive growth. Financial inclusion is the part of 1 minute, there is water in my hand. That's the reason. Inclusive growth. In simple language, you know what is financial inclusion? Out of the 132 crore population, every house there should be one bank account. That is the simple meaning of financial inclusion. Children, what did I say? Every house there should be one bank account out of 132 crore population. This is known as inclusive growth. When the people become part of the banking system, the inclusive growth will happen. Otherwise, what will happen, children? Only certain section of the population enjoy the financial benefits. Other sector is excluded. So government doesn't want. So financial inclusion in simple language means, what is simple language? Every banking system, every family, there should be one banking account. Okay. So financial inclusion includes providing financial service. 1 minute. Financial services at affordable cost to those who are excluded from the banking system. See, this word is most important. When you want to provide banking services to all the people, the cost should be less. It should be affordable to the people. How the banking can be affordable to the people? Point number one, bank should be near to your house. Then only people feel like going to the bank. Second thing is that opening of the account, minimum balance. There are so many things. It should be at an affordable rate. Then people will be joining the bank. So children, tell me, what do you mean by financial inclusion? What did you understand? Financial inclusion?
Every family must have a banking account.
Very good. At least one banking account. You are perfectly right. That is the meaning. Now, for that, what did the government or what did the RBI do? First, RBI has introduced business correspondence or business facilitator. See this word. Reserve Bank has introduced business correspondence model or business facilitator model. There must be somebody who is between the population and the bank. The population who did not have the bank account and the bank, there should be a facilitator. Facilitator means middleman. Okay, but don't think that this middleman is the commission agent. Here exactly what the Reserve Bank aim is, we are talking about, I hope somewhere you might have heard about microfinance agents, microfinance scheme. Microfinance scheme name, NGOs will act as a facilitator. NGOs will act as a facilitator between the bank and the population who is not having the bank account. This is very important. Relaxation of know your customer, KYC norms. KYC norms ko relax karna padega. What is the reason? At present things are fine. We are talking about some 5 years before, I said 10 years before. There were many people who were not having the Aadhaar card. There were many people who were not having the PAN card, so they cannot open the account. Today, they have relaxed it. Even now you require PAN card and Aadhaar cards, but at least the minimum balance in the account, they have reduced to zero. Zero minimum balance account. Children, zero minimum balance account means it is known as, try to understand what I am talking. It is known as no frill account. सुना होगा, बैंक में जाने पर वो लोग पूछेगा नो फ्रिल अकाउंट ओपन होना चाहिए या नहीं. नो फ्रिल अकाउंट मीन्स अकाउंट में जीरो बैलेंस होने पर भी आपको चार्ज नहीं लगाएगा. Okay. Another very important point is enhance the use of technology, not news, use. We know that banking system is fully technology driven, especially after this COVID and all. But maybe during this entire COVID period, other than the doctors and the frontline workers who worked throughout the lockdown, that means we are talking from March 2020, that is only banking system. And most of the services are now becoming digital. You know that. So government or RBI is making tremendous changes in the banking system. Why they are making tremendous changes? You are aware again about the UPI payment. Children, UPI payment ka ek example to boliye. Okay. This unified payment integration or UPI payment. Kaisa hai UPI payment ka ek example bolo, which you are using, I am using, everybody is using. Even vegetable vendor is using. UPI में कौन सा आता है children? उसके नीचे UPI payment में what all examples are coming? Where did your voice disappear? In case you do not know about UPI account or UPI technology or UPI services, take down. That is also very important. UPI में we are first best example is Paytm, then Google Pay, Bima, Beam app. These are all coming under UPI. So today you wanted to pay the electric bill. Electric bill mein there is a UPI code. There is a Paytm code. Either of that you are, somebody has written, that's right, Google Pay, you are right. Google Pay, Paytm, BMAP, these are all the examples of UPI. Isliye you can see that you just scan that code. You can pay the bill via your mobile, via your Google Pay. And whenever you are purchasing, grocery, vegetables, or even you are buying bananas, even that people are using this UPI. वो सामने वो scanner code होगा, that we will have to scan it and make the payment. So no doubt, children, our banking system is undergoing tremendous changes. Now, another very common model, what we see in India, what has become successful in India is this microfinance model. 1 minute, sometimes no microfinance mein what is the dekho? First is microfinance, second is self-help, third is bank linkage program, fourth is Swabhiman scheme, that is Atmanirbhar scheme, Atmanirbharata scheme. Simple point, children, what is Swabhiman? Hindi word hai. What is Atmanirbharata? We should be proud of ourselves. We should not depend upon foreigners. That is the meaning. Apna country, apna system ke anusar काम करेगा. We will not be depending upon foreigners for investment. So there is a three linkage they have explained here, children. First is microfinance, second is self-help group, third is bank linkage. We have to start from microfinance. Microfinance का एक example कोई दे सकता है? Very good, children. Paytm is digital wallet. You are right, perfectly right. Agreeing, I am accepting. Children, what is microfinance? Uska meaning kya hai? Microfinance means, say for example, Chembur market, you see a lot of people who are selling vegetables. Okay, they are coming under microfinance scheme. What's the reason? Vegetable sell karne ke liye, they want some finance. They have to buy that, that cart type, hand-driven cart. Oh, baji रखने के लिए. Okay, otherwise वो cart नहीं है, समझो बाजी तो लाना पड़ेगा, weighing machine लाना पड़ेगा, वो लोगों के पास पैसा ही नहीं है. So vegetable business start करने के लिए minimum 10,000 rupees तो चाहिए. Who will give that? Another group is, you take the case of people who are making papad, okay, who are making pickles, or even the servants who are coming for household work. Okay, वो लोगों के लिए servant का अपना बच्चे को पढ़ाने का है, 20,000 का फीस देने का है, वो servant किधर जाएगा? So udhar you can see that microfinance come to the help. And microfinance scheme has started in Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh mein that has become very, very popular. From there it has come to India. India becomes super leader in microfinance. Microfinance means you can see the self-help group. Children, thoda try to understand. Early morning hai madam dekhta hi nahi hai karke sone ka nahi. Self-help group. What do you mean by self-help group? Means you will start your own business. That is the meaning of self group, nahi, self-help. That word is missing there. Self-help group. You will help yourself. That I told you, the people who are making, ladies who are making papad at home, pickles at home, bindi banata hai, or vegetable sell karta hai, ghar mein kaam karta hai. These are all the self-help group. And so microfinance is connected with self-help group. Hindi में उसके लिए क्या नाम है? हिंदी में I just forgot. कौन सा बचत गट. That is a self-help group. लोखंडे मार्ग में we can see that. Bank linkage program. Be careful here. Linkage means connection. So इधर एक NGO picture में आएगा, non-government organization. They will get money from the bank. NGO will provide money to the self-help group. Okay. For example, I told you servant want 20,000 to pay to her daughters education. NGO bank will not give to the servant. So NGO will come in the middle. NGO को बैंक पैसा देगा, NGO servant को देगा. सर्वेंट के सामने दो ऑप्शन है रीपेमेंट के लिए. इधर तो हर मंथ रीपे कर सकता है, सर्वेंट बैंक में नहीं जाएगा, वो एनजीओ के एजेंट कलेक्ट करेगा, अदरवाइज वो डेली पे करेगा. से फॉर एग्जांपल 100 रुपीज डेली और से 50 रुपीज डेली, ऐसा पेमेंट करेगा. इंटरेस्ट रेट में बी वेरी लेस और इट मे नॉट बी देयर. Okay, that is the plan. That is the real meaning of financial inclusion. Tell me how this microfinance is working. I want you to give the answer. I say you cannot. Somebody has written it very well. Short-term loans are given. Startup and all that. Microfinance में startup वगैरह नहीं आता. Startup is coming under Swabhiman scheme. You are right. It is coming under, Swabhiman or Swachh, not what is it? Independent India. Like Atmanirbhar Bharat. Udhar startup is coming, no doubt. And don't think that, madam, kaisa startup वगैरह success होगा. Many of the startups are so much successful. You take the case of Uber, you take the case of Ola, you take the case of Swiggy, you take the case of Zomato. They are all the startup, and they are all very successful. There are big baskets. There are so many startups, Frasco, and so many are there. So tell me how this entire microfinance is working, children. I will ask somebody. 59. Tell me. Microfinance scheme, who are the members? Or how it is working? What did you understand? Give an example. Who is depending upon microfinance? 59. Jaldi answer do. 59, unmute yourself. $59. You have to give the answer. Unmute yourself. बोलो. माइक्रो फाइनेंस में नहीं तो सेल्फ हेल्प में आने वाला एक ग्रुप का एग्जाम्पल बोलो. $59, are you there? $59 अभी तक आयशा सैयद अभी तक अनम्यूट नहीं किया है. 59, are you going to unmute? 59, unmute नहीं करने पर you have to go to the, or you can write it in the chat box. That also I don't mind. I cannot see whether any answer in the chat box. No. $59 को waiting room में भेजना पड़ेगा. जाओ उधर. Now, Usman Khan, Usman, self-help group क्या है? Usman, what is self-help group? Microfinance क्या है? Yes, I require answer. I cannot simply go on teaching without getting any response. It is so irritating. Usman, are you there? You are there. You have unmuted. I can see from here. Usman, say yes. नहीं बोलेगा. No, you have to go out. I don't want such type of people. 110. Ansari Sena. 110. Ansari Sana. I cannot see the answer even in the
सेल्फ ग्रुप बैंक लिंकिंग
लिंकिंग प्रोग्राम. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? माइक्रो फाइनेंस, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप, bank linkage program. I ask you the meaning of that. Give me one example. I want to know whether you understood or not.
Microfinance, and they help them by giving short-term loans in less interest rate.
I got it. I am agreeing. Perfectly right. My point is, give me one example. Who will get microfinance loan?
UPI.
UPI नहीं, UPI तो मतलब पेमेंट सिस्टम है जिसको
NGO.
NGO पैसा दिलवाता है. NGO को पैसा मिलता है लेकिन उसके लिए नहीं. NGO एक ग्रुप को देता है. Who are that group? बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल मैंने बोला माइक्रो फाइनेंस का, वो समझ में नहीं आया.
Unemployed and low income.
Example
Value
बोलो, clear
individual.
cut example. Clear cut example. I told you, no, vegetable vendors who are selling vegetable in the road. You are seeing them every day. And I told you servant. Then I had again given you the example.
कौन देता
Google
है
Pay.
और आपने ये बताया कि कौन लेता है.
हाँ वही बोला, कौन लेता है? That is my question. लेने वाला कौन है? देखो वेजिटेबल, पीपल आर सेलिंग वेजिटेबल इन द रोड. वेजिटेबल खरीदने के लिए तो पैसा तो चाहिए. कौन देगा ये लोगों को पैसा? सो ये सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप देगा. एनजीओ बैंक से पैसा लेगा. एनजीओ दे विल गिव द मनी टू सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. दैट इज नोन एज माइक्रो फाइनेंस. और वेजिटेबल वाला रोज 100 रुपीज रिटर्न करेगा. उसके लिए कुछ मिनिमम इंटरेस्ट भी चार्ज करेगा. That is one example. Second example, I told you, suppose that your mother is making papad at home. Okay, in order to start making the papad, she wants money. That capital is given by self-help group, NGOs. You know, uska, this my exact Hindi word I forgot. That self-help group. But that is the meaning of, you know, that some similar word is coming. And I told you another example. Somebody is making samosas at home for sale. They will get money. So they can make the samosas, sell the samosas. Every day NGO का person आएगा, उसके पास 50 rupees या 100 rupees देने का है. What is the advantage here? The whole thing is controlled by banks. So that ज़्यादा interest नहीं लेगा and they will not be exploited. So now you tell me, who are the group who is getting help? Microfinance में help किसको किसको मिलता है? NGO को,
Vegetable vendors.
yes, vegetable vendors. Who else? बहुत सारा example दिया. एक तो vegetable.
Housewives who want to start up their small business.
Example, you have to be very specific. Startup वगैरह आत्मनिर्भर में जाता है. Self-help group is a simple unorganized worker. I told you, servant.
Examples are like a woman who wants to make pickles, so she can go to loans.
Yeah, that is right. घर में pickles बनाता है ना, pickle बनाकर वो, लेकिन वो बनाने के लिए तो पैसा तो चाहिए, मिनिमम इनिशियल 10,000 रुपीस कौन देगा? आप एक मनी लेंडर के पास जाता है, वो तो 16% इंटरेस्ट लेगा, नहीं तो 38% इंटरेस्ट लेगा. Here वो इश्यू ही नहीं है. बैंक इज प्रोवाइडिंग मनी एंड बैंक डायरेक्टली आपको नहीं देगा बिकॉज आपके पास पेपर्स है नहीं. तो एनजीओ इज कमिंग इन द मिडिल टू हेल्प यू. एंड एवरी डे रोज आप कुछ पैसा रिटर्न करेगा, 50 रुपीज 100 रुपीज जो है वो. So you are protected. And I told you microfinance is a super hit scheme in India. Super hit. Okay. And we will explain it as we go further. So one example I told you, vegetable vendors. Second, I told you those who are, those who are making pickles or samosas at home, or those who wants to start mehndi class, those who want to start hair styling class. All these people, they will get money via self-help group. Okay. So here habituation with a population more than 2,000. जो area में population more than 2,000 है, वो area में bank होना चाहिए. This is more true in the case of northeastern hilly state. northeastern hilly states. आपको मालूम है, we are talking about Mizoram, we are talking about Tripura, Manipal, that northeastern area. Abhi ka to, if we are taking the current one, you take the case of the Jharkhand. Okay, all that area, ma'am, we know that banking facilities were less, but now they are providing banking facilities to the people who are living in the northeastern region, hilly region. Okay. Then there is ultra small branches. Reserve Bank has also started some concept known as ultra small branches. What is ultra small branches? That branch is opened only for transferring the benefit of 26 schemes of government to the customer. Example क्या है? Government आपको subsidy देता है. ओके, वो सब्सिडी आपका अकाउंट में सीधा आ जाएगा, सो दैट कोई भी मिडिलमैन वो पैसा खाएगा नहीं. उसके लिए अल्ट्रा स्मॉल ब्रांचेस ओपन किया गया. ओके, दैट इज अल्ट्रा स्मॉल ब्रांच. 26 स्कीम्स है गवर्नमेंट का. एक एग्जांपल आई एम टेलिंग यू, जनधन योजना आप सुना होगा. 2014 में जो स्टार्ट हो गया जनधन योजना, that has entered into the Guinness Book of Record. Okay, why the Jan Dhan Yojana has become so popular? नीचे लिखा है देखो, प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना नीचे. Okay, August 2014, it has gone into the Guinness Book of Record. एक ही दिन में maximum account has been opened. It does not require any balance, zero balance account. And suppose that tomorrow you are getting some subsidy. सब्सिडी कैसा मिलेगा? अभी कोविड का पीरियड पर जिसका जॉब मिला, जिसका जॉब लॉस हो गया, और माइग्रेंट लेबरर, यूपी का लेबरर मुंबई में आया है, वो यूपी गया है, वो सब लोगों के लिए से फॉर एग्जांपल 2000 रुपीज गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग. सो वो कैसा सीधा वो पर्सन को पहुंचेगा? उसके लिए बैंक अकाउंट होना जरूरत है. एंड बैंक अकाउंट में आपका आधार कार्ड इज लिंक्ड, so that you are getting money directly to your account. There are so many schemes like that. So that type of scheme में directly person को पैसा मिलेगा. Another scheme, I don't know, have you heard it? Atal Pension Yojana. Atal Pension Yojana. Children, these are, India is changing. Please understand that. What is Atal Pension Yojana? It just started in the name of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The people who does not have regular jobs, you know that they are not going to get any pension after the age of 60. Pension is nowadays given only to the government employees who have joined before 2005. Please remember, 2006 के बाद जो join हो उसको भी pension नहीं है. That is about government employee. Lekin what about the vegetable vendor? What about the servant? What about the auto rickshaw driver? What about the taxi driver? वो लोगों को मदद करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट has introduced अटल पेंशन योजना. घर में कोई है उसको ये स्कीम मालूम नहीं होने पर एक्सप्लेन करके दो. कोई भी नेशनलाइज बैंक में अटल पेंशन योजना चालू कर सकता है और आपको हर महीना 1000 रुपीज ऐसा भरकर जाने का है. सो दैट 15 years के बाद 15 years के बाद, और once you are above 60 आपको हर महीना पेंशन मिलेगा. You will ask, मैडम वो तो बहुत लंबा है. Yes children, लेकिन when do you want money? You want money in your old age. पेंशन भी नहीं है, इनकम भी नहीं है, कौन देखभाल करेगा? So Atal Pension Yojana is a super hit program in India. That is auto rickshaw drivers, taxi drivers, vegetable vendors, cook, all these people, those who are running small, chota mota beauty parlors, all of them can join. And हर month में आपको से example 1000 rupees भरो. So every year you are paying say 12,000 rupees. Government will pay interest on that. Once you cross 60 till you are alive, आपके लिए monthly pension मिलेगा. That is the meaning of Atal Pension Yojana. So these are all the schemes which government has started in order to bring the people more into the banking system. ये सब benefit मिलने के लिए आपको बैंक अकाउंट होना कंपलसरी है, आधार कार्ड होना भी कंपलसरी है. Okay, children, I will take your attendance now. If there is any doubt, you can ask.